hosting as well.
Yeah, we'd like to see that.
All the products are right.
We're actually very happy today to be launching this. We wanted more and more Fijians to know about the tournament itself that's being held at Natandola Golf Course, one of our most prized possessions. And that's on from the 15th to the 18th of October 2015. And of course, and it's a competition which goes through the popular social mediums. And it's an effective way for us to grab people's attention and of course puts a positive message in that space. And that's why we're running a competition on the Fijian Made by Fijian Facebook page to link golf to over 75,000 Fijian residents who are ardent Fijian made followers on Facebook, obviously. And through this competition, we're also reminding Fijians of the value of Fijian made products and services. For the Fijian public that are not dedicated golf enthusiasts, I may as well tell you that the prize is actually a really good one and includes an inside the ropes tour, as PS pointed out. Ladies, you can actually, a golf change room is not as bad as a rugby one, so it's all right. It's actually with, you get access to the players' lounge and the locker room and a day at the VIP lounge, and it's an absolute money can't buy experience. So I hope you're going to invite as many people as you can to take part in this. We're very happy to launch this today. And as we're equally happy about having the golf on the 15th to the 18th. I'll be around for a few days, but not for all of them, unfortunately. Our Honourable Prime Minister will be, I think, will be launching the initial day. So, and I'd like to thank our Fijian-made partners, Organic Earth, also for coming on board to support this competition. They've given a gift pack for each of the winners. PS has demonstrated how this competition is going to work. And I call on all Fijian residents to participate in this competition and have an opportunity with these fabulous prizes. So log on to the Fijian Made Facebook and post your best pictures.
There you go.